Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in downtown Kingston and we're giving you an update on a mega development taking place down here. This is the construction of the 12th floor Palace Tower. It's going to be a mixed use building and it's at the corner of South Camp Road and Victoria Avenue. Now this is where the old State Theatre used to be. And like so many buildings in downtown Kingston, it served its time, but it closed many years ago. It was a very popular movie theater back in the day, and it was just abandoned. Ugly building sitting down, not being used. And they demolished it, and they're putting up a modern structure. This is what we need to happen across Jamaica. Too many places, let's leave that alone, but they need to revisit a lot of sites that are deemed historic sites and remove that designation so that these properties can be used for modern infrastructure. Now, where you see that yellow wall, that is from the old State Theatre. As you can see, I'm not sure. I think that wall is going to come down. Some people have said it's going to stay, but based on the rendering of the building, we're going to show you a picture soon. The wall isn't there. No, this building is 12 floors, but apparently they are including, because it's at 12 floors now. That's the top of the building. The roof is on. Apparently they are including the basement or the parking areas on the ground in the height of the building. And this is one of many new high-rise buildings going up in downtown Kingston. The area is changing. It's being improved slowly, but it's being improved with these new infrastructure projects. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And further up from this road on Camp Road or South Camp Road, you have the new Price Mart being built. Massive Price Mart store is being built on this road. And you also have Sabina Park further up the road. All right, guys. We'll keep you guys updated on this development. Have a good day.